You're always going to want to hit the button first, then the door will unlock. These doors are on a timer, so after about 30 seconds they will lock on their own, and that's how you'll have to open them, is by hitting the button. Usually if you hit the button and it just kind of blinks like that, it means the elevator's here. If you hit the button and it ends up staying lit on its own, more than likely it's probably on its way. So then getting in the car, this job has a manual operated gate, so you gotta open that by hand. There is upgrades available for a automatic gate operator, which will, when you trigger this button, it'll unlock the door so you can open it, but also that gate's gonna go into motion on its own automatically. Getting inside the elevator, another thing that happens with that button is these lights. So when the elevator's sitting here resting and you go to hit the button to unlock the door, these lights will start to come on. They'll come on immediately when you hit the button. They are on a timer. So they're on like normally a 5-minute timer. So after 5 minutes of no activity, they will shut off on their own. Again, any button in the elevator will get them turned back on. Inside the elevator, this is the car station panel. This project has a touchscreen, new touchscreen system. So these are our call buttons on the touchscreen. Only main difference here is that the call buttons for the elevator are integrated into this screen versus just a hard normal button you can push. You got to make sure that the door is shut and the gate's shut for the elevator to operate. If you close the door and forget the gate, or vice versa, the elevator will not run. So you got to be sure of that, and then you also want to confirm that the run stop switch is on run. So there is this doesn't call the police or do anything other than just keep the elevator from running. So this can accidentally get bumped. I know I carry my phone on my side. At times you could kind of bump that without even knowing. So you always want to check that as the elevator doesn't work. Buttons here, so once you close everything, you can push the button. It'll take you to the next floor automatically, stop on its own. Once you arrive at the next floor, the door will be unlocked where you can exit, have to manually open the gate, and then open the door. It is good practice to always close the gate behind you in case anybody else in the home needs to use the elevator as well. It's ready to be called to their floor also. Back in here for a second, this panel also has a integrated phone. So this is a standard feature on all Southeast elevators. This phone is very simple to use. You can call anybody. It's line powered, so you just hit your on button and then call whoever you like, and then it'll connect with them automatically. When the call's over, just simply turn it off.